How do I connect my Android device to the WPS Push Button?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk through how to connect your Android device to a Wi-Fi network using the WPS Push Button method. This is a quick and secure way to connect without needing to type in a password.
What is WPS?
WPS stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It's a standard that makes it easier to establish a secure wireless home network. Many routers come equipped with a physical button labeled WPS for this purpose.
Preparing your router.
Before you can connect your Android device via WPS, ensure that your router supports it and that it's enabled. 1. Locate the WPS button on your router. This might be on the back or side of the device. 2. Make sure your router is turned on and within range of your Android device.
Connecting your Android device.
Now, let's get your Android device connected. 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. 2. Tap on Network and Internet or Connections. 3. Tap on Wi-Fi. 4. If you're not already connected to a network, your Android will start scanning for available networks. You'll also see a Wi-Fi Preferences or Advanced Options section. 5. Tap on Wi-Fi Preferences or Advanced Options. 6. Look for WPS Push Button or just WPS option and tap on it. 7. Quickly press the WPS button on your router. You typically have about 2 minutes to do this. 8. Your Android device will automatically connect to the router once the setup is successful. The device will save the network credentials, so you won't need to go through this process again for the same network. And that's it. You've now successfully connected your Android device to your Wi-Fi network using the WPS Push Button method. It's a handy trick that saves you from typing in lengthy passwords. Hope you found this guide helpful, and happy browsing!